Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is list posts. A list post or listicle is an online blog post that features a number of things. Such posts revolve around a list of points, and you can even call them numbered list posts. You can use numbered lists to attract multitasking audiences who are too busy to read through the entire content. Such posts make it easier for the readers to skim through the title and get the general idea through the titles only. List posts also have the potential to go viral and increase your organic searches. Just research the numbers your competitors are providing and exceed those numbers for your own posts. For example, if your competitors are listing out 11 best cars for families, you can up the ante by listing out 15 cars instead of 11. Organize the list, back up your subheadings with substantial information. Create subsections for lengthy list posts. Write an eye-catching and captivating headline. Make sure to conduct keyword research and add relevant power words to your headlines. List posts examples include 5 ways to save energy at home, 7 guaranteed ways to make your blog better, 25 ways to remove suntan naturally, 55 best email marketing tools to grow your subscribers. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.